Welcome to this online workshop entitled, Mastering the Essentials of Grounded Theory. Your instructor for this workshop is Gregory Hadley. Dr. Hadley is a professor of sociolinguistics and Western cultural studies at Niigata University in Japan, and is also a visiting fellow at Kellogg College, Oxford. He is the author of numerous scholarly articles and books. Among them are Grounded Theory in Applied Linguistics Research, a Practical Guide, English for Academic Purposes in Neoliberal Universities, a Critical Grounded Theory. And he is a contributor to the Sage Handbook of Current Developments in Grounded Theory. In this workshop, you will study the background and practices of the Grounded Theory methodology. Analyze data using open, focused, and theoretical coding. Learn about memo making and other data collection techniques. And discover strategies for how to present your theory.